Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we're going to look at how we properly shut down our vSphere infrastructure, assuming that we don't have vCenter server available to us. There are 4 VMs we have to contend with, 2 ESXi hosts, 1 student workstation, and our Active Directory and storage server. So we're going to start off with our ESXi hosts. They have to be shut down first. I've got my VMs listed across the bottom of the screen here. I'll pull up one of my ESXi hosts. In order to get into this, we're going to be using the console. So I'm going to hit a key just to activate the console. You'll notice that it's black in the background, so it's not activated. So just hit a key and we will see that'll light up. Now, to shut down, I need to do F12. So I'll do F and 12. We have to log in. So root and our standard administrative password, secret55. And now we can see that we're being prompted, what do we want to do? Shut down or restart? We want to do a shutdown, so F2 for that. And this is now in the process of shutting down. I'm going to bring up the window and the console for ESXi2 and shut that down at the same time. We don't need to worry about dependencies here. I will grab my second ESXi host, ESXi2, here we go. I'll just tap in that window and hit a key to bring up or activate the screen. I'll now do F12 and log in as I did before. And F2 to shut down. Now these are going to take a minute to shut down. I don't really need to wait. So I'll bring up my student workstation next. Just Control-Alt to release the pointer. And I will now bring up my student workstation VM. In this case, this is a little bit different. I don't need to actually log on. Instead, what I can do is click on the power drop-down that we see up on the toolbar for the VM. I'm going to pick Shutdown Guest and then say, yes, I'm sure I want to do that. Now, the reason we can do that here and not with the ESXi hosts is because VMware Tools is installed in the Windows VMs. So as a result of that, we can shut those down with no problem. If we were to do the same thing with the ESXi hosts, because there's no VMware Tools, they would hard crash, and we definitely do not want that to happen. Last VM is our infrastructure server. I'll pull that up, and just like the student workstation, I can click on the power drop-down and shut down the guest OS. That's going to go off and do a proper shutdown, and we're going to be fine as soon as that's done. That's it. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.